Hey, how's it going out there? So I'm kind of running through this basic like C major, finger exercise up. I'm ascending, and this is something that I had learned from one of my guitar teachers a long time ago, and I thought it'd be cool to share, especially if you're trying to like learn how to. I'm not a shredder. I've never learned how to like just fucking rip through the scale. I'm not really that much. I'm like more of like a laid back kind of blues player, sort of, but bluesy rock, whatever. But this is a cool way to think of like triplet or sextuplet. Thinking like excuse me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, two, three. I'm kind of just ending here on this kind of like C major arpeggio line, just kind of messing around with it. With this little third with my C and E note on the A and D string. I just kind of like run down the C major scale. But the main idea that I'm getting at here is this the C major scale two string kind of run. But like the main thing I'm getting at in this is just, the memorizing or hearing the C major intervals and how position to position changes. Like we're starting out here with 3 whole steps. And then we go whole step, half step, because we need that F note in the key of C, and then we're going G, A, B, whole step. Then we pick up on this bottom part of the scale, of this second part of the scale. And then we're extending it into and then this is the C note. That's shifting up to 20 there. And that little kind of arpeggio tag thing I'm doing, I'm going. Excuse me. If you want to kind of back up a little bit, you want to go up 1 string. That's totally, you can do that as well. Like if you're just trying to like think of like a 1 string kind of ascending line. And, we are starting here on the 4th. This is the F note. So we don't even hit the C note, the root note of the scale, and like on the bottom string if we're doing like a 1 string run until we get to the 8th fret here. Thanks for watching. I'm just trying to throw out some quick videos. I haven't really done any lately, but I'm kind of getting back on track. So I hope you get some out of that. Hit the like, give me a subscribe. Take care.